Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this video, we are going to check out Avalanche's price charts, and I still stand by what I said. I believe this whole move is a correction structure into our wave 4, and after it's over, or maybe it's over already, we are going to check out the possibility of that in today's update. We're going to get most likely another move on the upside into wave 5 in order to reach to about this important region, and then okay, from this area I guess we can get a deeper move on the downside. But for now, I am really struggling to find an impulsive structure in here, and if I just go maybe like on a less busy chart, let's say sure, crypto.com. Okay, what do we have in this area? Just constantly overlapping of the waves between our pullbacks on the upside, and these are very slow and choppy moves down. And all of these are characteristics of a corrective movement, indicating in AVAX in this phase, more likely than not, bears do not really have a whole lot of power, and odds are soon we are going to get a move up in Avalanche. Now, it seems like that at least in the short term, we are in kind of a descending channel right in here. And if you want to be optimistic, maybe like for the next couple of days, I think you need to wait a little bit more and see, is AVAX going to get a break out of the channel? But I think this might be a bit more of a bullish pattern. Why is that? Because what do we have before this descending channel? A rather, I would say, strong and sharp moves on the upside. And does this look like a familiar pattern for you? Well, if you like classic patterns, this can actually be a beautiful bull flag. And what is going to be a likely target for it? You need to, first things first, put your chart on regular escape. Okay, this is a very important point. I cannot stress this enough. There is no measuring targets on regular escape. That is just simply not a thing. And you need to measure the height of your pull from here to about this point. There we go, and put it as your supposedly breaking point. Let's say we're going to break it right in here. Okay, as you can see, this is giving you a target of about like $25 to $26 for Avalanche. And I do think that's actually realistic. So you see, we do have a couple of optimistic and bullish patterns in AVAX in like very short term. But overall, again, if you don't really care what is going to happen in here, and for example, are we going to get like one more move down and then another move on the upside or not, I would like to suggest to just wait a little bit more and see AVAX getting out of this channel on the upside, meaning we do something like this. Now, let's go on 5-minute time frame. Okay, so here's the deal. I think we can argue maybe this is a wave 1 to about this point, correction structure into wave 2, maybe like an ABC flat, and then we may have like wave 3, 4, 5 in here, and this might be, yeah, sure, like another 1 and a 2, and then we're gonna have another move up into wave 3, 4, 5. Is a scenario in play? I don't have a good answer for you, but here's the deal. Any kind of scenario should have an invalidation point, and what's it going to be for this one is actually taking this low about, let's say, $20.7. So what you do not want to see in AVAX is a continuation of this move down in order to take this low, because that is going to kind of suggest, you know what, maybe this is just a simple 3-wave movement, possibly an ABC, maybe even a WXY, generally some sort of a correction. And at that point, you can expect maybe like a continuation of this move in order to take this low for the first target around like $20.3. But I think we can go actually a bit more down than that. So for a couple of hours, if you want to know what is happening, all eyes should be on this important low. What you want to see is a consolidation pattern and then another move up in order to especially get a break out of the channel. And what you do not want to see is a move down from the current point or maybe like a bit higher, generally before taking this high in order to take this low about $20.8. Overall, I still believe that we are looking optimistic, and maybe this is a bit of a bull flag, which the target for it is going to be about like maybe 25 to even 30% higher. But whether in the short term the low is in or not, okay, that can be a bit of a different story, and you need to take everything step by step and watch the short-term price action very carefully. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in Avalanche. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.